We're being asked here to express one number as a fraction of another. So in other words, we're being asked to take one number, let's call it x, and express it as a fraction of another number, we can call that y. So this is the format that our answers need to take. So let's have a look at number 1, or G. What fraction of 4 liters is 800 milliliters? So you can see straight away we've got different units of measurement. We can't have that. We've got to be talking the same units of measurement. Now, often when you do these kinds of questions, the smarter idea is to convert to the smaller units. So in other words, rename liters as milliliters. Doesn't always have to be like that, but that's often a good way to start thinking about solving these problems. Go with the smallest unit. Anyway, we've got 800 milliliters and we've got 4 liters. And if I know how to convert, I know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, because milli means 1,000. So that means 4 liters is going to equal 4,000 milliliters. Cool. So I now have 800 and I also have 4,000. What fraction of 4 liters, so that's out of, you can also think of it like that, what fraction of or out of 4 liters, so out of 4,000 is 800, looks like this, and this is correct. The only thing is we should really be simplifying. So let's simplify. We can divide this by 10. There we go, we just did it. 80 over 400. There's another 0 here and another 0 here. 0 on top, 0 down the bottom. We can divide by 10. Just did it again. Now we have 8 over 40. From here, I have to use my knowledge of the common factors. So 8 is divisible by 8, 4, 2, 1. 40 is divisible by 10, 4, 8. There we go, 8. So if I divide 8 by 8, I'm going to get 1. If I divide 40 by 8, I'm going to get 5. So that is the most simplified answer I can have. What fraction of 4 liters is 800 milliliters? 1/5. Second one, John finds 50 cents on the ground. No one seems to own it, so he puts the 50 cents in his wallet where he already had $5. What fraction of the new total amount of money did John find? So the new total amount is $5.50. So let's write that down. And we're talking about 50 cents. So again, we've got a difference of units really. We've got 50 cents and we've got dollars. So let's change the dollars into cents. And I do that by multiplying by 100. So the money becomes 550 cents. What fraction of the new total amount? So this is the new total amount. So out of the new total is 550 as the denominator, and we have 50 cents. So 50 out of, or of 550. These are cents, remember. I can simplify. I've got a 0 on top and a 0 down the bottom, so divide by 10, and there you go. Now I'm left with a 5 and a 55, so yep, I can divide by 5. So let's do that. Divide by 5, whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 55 divided by 5 is 11. So the answer here is 1/11.